MVP group diha sa program. O niya, naanay mga hugon-hugon kaniadto pa nga dunay interest ang MVP group for joint venture through investment management contracts. It is in the news na they're actively seeking. And klaro sa ato nga this is being brokered, organized by the provincial government of Misamis Oriental. So, nahadlo kita nga ang giimbitar lang mga selected barangay officials, dili gitanan stakeholders or consumers sa Moresco, selected people lang. Ang atong basin dito, mag-create sila of clamor. Di ba, mag-create sila clamor nga, gusto namo because of the problems of Moresco. Gusto namo nga mo-enter ang Meralco. So that is now a basis na nakapagid ang NEA chairman, NEA administrator. They can pressure this Moresco officials nga, i-accept ninyo ni nga offer ng Meralco to do a joint venture agreement. Diba? Kasi under biya ang mga elektriko sa National Electrification Administration. So maigi kay nga set up. There is the administrator. The administrator now can hear the barangay captain says that we are in agreement. So dako kaayo na
Kanusa gani ang forum vice?
Karong Friday.
Pero wala gi-invite ang Moresco. Invited sila.
Invited lang sila.
Pero wala part of
Collaboration with Meralco, nothing. They were just invited.
consider
When I was vice governor, I was critical of Moresco. Because my objective is to improve their service. And there are also other factors kasi nga nahitabo ng mga brownout ni adto gid labi lagi di adto no naagyoy tako kayong problema nga severe brownout. But now there are other factors na you allow Moresco to be heard, no? Kay for you dapat kamo interviewin ninyo sila kasi they can also answer the kaning mga reklamo against Moresco to. Ako, when I was vice gov, I engaged with them kasab-an ako gani tungod sa mga issues. But I will not advocate for privatization because of the profit motive of private entities. As I've said, Manning Pelays created electric co-ops for it to be of service, service-oriented, not profit-oriented. So, kung sunod ng mga companies, profit na, taas na gid ang atong electricity rates. Now, there are others electric co-op nga gi-take over na sa mga joint venture agreement like Sambuanga Electric Cooperative. Nagkagulo sila dito. Mas lalong nagka-problema. Nidako ang systems loss. Nidako ang utang. So, there are already na inana nga nagsamot na gid noon ang problema. But as I've said, why enter into Moresco 1 or Moresco 2 when these are AAA mega large electric cooperatives, dagko ni nga electric cooperatives. And by the way, ang MVP Group Manggod now has a big investment in Axilum
sa
in
Medina.
Medina. So, in my thinking, but that could be one of the motives kay naa sila dako kayo nga investment in that coconut